Your new infant car seat comes pre-installed with a newborn insert. The newborn insert is optional for children up to 11 pounds and recommended for children under 25 inches. There's 4 components to the newborn insert. Each piece is optional and can be removed depending on the child's size and height. To remove the insert pieces, simply unbutton each button from the insert and remove them as needed or as desired. To fully remove the newborn insert, unbuckle the harness and remove the insert. Make sure you change the crotch buckle from the inner slot in the upholstery to the outer slot. To put your newborn insert back in your car seat, first move the crotch buckle from the outer slot to the inner slot in the upholstery. There's a Velcro underneath that might need to be removed in order to pass the buckle through. Then take the insert and place it on the bottom of the car seat and pass the harness over the top of the insert. The side bolsters have 2 gray buttons that can be attached to the side of the newborn insert. Attach the top buckle button first, then attach the lower button with the harness going between the side bolster and the newborn insert. Repeat the process on both sides. To attach the head pillow, the button on the head support attaches to the back of the newborn insert.